Hello kids, welcome back. This is your Momita ma'am again. Good morning to all of you. Hope you are all in a very good state. Today we are going to revise our old topic. And what is this? So today we are going to revise our articles. Okay? So this is your revision and I know you will do it very properly because you have already done articles. Okay? So come, let's start with me articles. Now, first of all, I need to tell you again what are articles. What are they? They are three: a, an, and the. So what are they? A, next an, and the. So these three are called articles. Okay children, now you have already know about the usage of these articles. Where we can use a with the words that starts with consonant sound. Consonant means not vowels. That are called consonants, and those words will come with a. So give me some example. I know you can. So what are they? Like a doll, a book. These are called the use of a article. Okay? Now we will move with the usage of an article. Where we can use an? Who is the best friend of an? So here vowels are the best friend of an. And who are vowels? You know it very properly. A, E, I, O, U. So the words which will start with vowels, only that words will come with the best friend of an. So the words that will start with the vowels, they will come with the best friend an. So vowels will come with an and consonants will come with a. Now I will tell you the usage of the. Where we can use the we can use with that things which exist only one in the whole universe. That means in this big universe, that thing is only one. In that case, we will use the for some special things like sun. In the whole universe, how many sun can you find, children? There are only one sun? Yes. So we will use the with sun. Like that, moon, we will use the with moon. Why? Because in the whole universe there is only one moon, not many moons, right? So the will be used with some special things. Why they are special? Because they exist in the universe only single mode, only in one way. Okay? Now we will do a house activity to practice these articles, the usage of a, an, and the. I know you can do it very properly, but please listen to me first and then you will do it. You will practice it in your home. Okay? So come with me and see what I will do in this house activity. Now see, I have three houses here. One house is for A, one house is for an, and other house is for D. And here I have some words. I have to see the words, see the first letter, is it consonant or is it vowel, and see the word, that is that word a special word or not. Then we will find the actual house for the word. Okay, so come, let's do it. The picture. Which animal is this? Yes, this is ox. Now tell me, children, this word ox will go with which house? A house, an house, or the house? See the first letter? O. O is a vowel or consonant? Yes, vowel. So it will certainly go in the house of an. So the next picture is this. This is a dog, and it will go with which house? A house. Now this is the picture of earth. We all know earth is only one present in the whole universe. So where it will go? It will go in the house. The next term is for the picture of an ant. Yes. And where it will go? Yes, it will go in an house. The next picture is this one. This is kite. And where it will go? Which house? Yes, it will go in a house. The next picture is for our holy river Ganga, and this is the only one thing in the whole universe. So where it will go? It will go in the house. Now this is the picture of a very familiar thing. This is eye. We all have two eyes. Yes. So which house it will go? It will go to an house. Yes. Now the next thing is the picture of jug. J-U-G, jug. So which house it will go? Yes, certainly it will go in the house of A. Now it is the time to see one of the most wonderful thing in the world. And what is this? Yes, this is Taj Mahal. And which house it will go? Yes, this will go in the house of the, because Taj Mahal is only one thing that exists in the whole universe. Now the next thing is, yes, we all need it in this monsoon season. This is umbrella, right? And where it will go? It will go to an house. Okay, so the next thing, we all play with it. This is toy. So where it will go? Yes, a house. And the last thing is, it gives us light. This is sun. Where it will go? Surely the house. I hope, children, you have enjoyed the activity and you will practice it. Okay, so for today, bye bye and thank you for listening to me.